I love working at Homes by Tabor because I get the opportunity to grow, be creative, and be myself, all while in a professional environment.
The fun work environment, and the free coffee isn't bad either.
They allow me to be creative. See?
It's not just that we have this amazing team around us where everyone works well together, but that we're constantly giving back to the community.
This company really believes in helping me get a better education in what I'm doing and helps promote my personal growth.
Endless support from my team to exceed my goals both in my career and in my personal life.
We're given constant support from our peers.
If you're a driven individual and you care about being better both at work and in your personal life, then you're automatically surrounded by tons of like-minded individuals. And I think it's really special for a company to have established a culture like that, and it's pretty addicting.
The culture, also the other employees that we have working here. I feel like we have a really, really good team here at Homes by Tabor.
I like working here because of the great leadership.
And our leaders don't just help us with our professional goals, they help us with our personal goals. And I love that.
When I walk through the door, it puts a smile on my face.
I love working at Homes by Tabor because we're given all the resources we need to succeed.